Did you know you can utilize the switch function to dynamically alternate between various measures based on user preferences? This capability proves invaluable for crafting adaptable reports, allowing users to select the specific information they wish to view. For instance, consider a scenario where the HR department seeks to analyze total absence duration in minutes, hours, or days over a defined period. While individual measures for each unit already exist, they cannot be directly used for slicer fields. But there is a way it can be done, and I'll show you the exact steps you need to follow. But before we start, I'd like you to take a moment and let me know in the comments what other application of the switch function would you like me to demonstrate. Back to our scenario, the first step is to create a table containing the desired selections. Simply navigate to enter data, rename the first column to selection, and input minutes, hours, and days into separate rows. Label this table as slicer time and press load. The next step is to select the slicer and proceed to choose the column selection from the newly created table. Step number 3 is to construct the switch measure using the following formula. The selected value returns the selection made in the slicer and evaluates it against the following conditions. If the selection is minutes, it will return the minutes absence measure. If the selection is hours, it will return the hours absences measure. If the selection is days, it will return the days absences measure. And finally, if there is no selection, it will return the text no selection. There you have it. This represents just one of the myriad ways to leverage the switch function. Stay tuned as I'll unveil more unconventional applications. If you found this tutorial insightful, feel free to leave a comment, hit the like button, or even subscribe for more content. Thank you for tuning in. This is Stelian signing off. Until next time, cheerio!